سلام كما يدخلوا خمي اللهم أطار حمد اللهم يا alright كم تلمود كحبش education مزيناكم على النحوات come to مأتوينا تريوز اللهم Palantir one of the good software stack report تقبريا by the way Palantir نزيد فلتوها headquarter ناتا Denver Colorado it's from Denver that's a good one so yeah ጽቡቕ ሙቭ ትገብር ዘላ ስታክያ ፓላንቴር ንዓይና ክንርኢ ኣሕዋት ናታ ኤርን ወይ ከዓ ናይ Q1 2025 ኢን እንዳኣወት ኣለዋ ንዑ ኢና ክንርኢ ለስ ባክ ገና 10 ደቂቃ ኣለና እንታይ ኢና ንፅበ ንዝብል ሕቶ ብራለ ዳዓበይ let's go first okay let me get it shared to you guys. Yep, share. Gibber ablo ahwat. Share. So happy. So Palantir لما عندي دحر قطري ماركت مستعصو دحري شمنت ترفو ماركت نقعصو دحر شمنت اتاوي ان وصايان كتنغرنا اتاويታት ናታ ማለት ናይ ቀዳማይ ረብዒ ዓመት 2025 ዝኾነት ካምፓኒ ነቶም ሓደሽቲ every quarters like ኣርባዕተ ግዜ ብዓመት መስሊ ኣታዊን ወፃይን ትነግር ስለዚ ናይ Q1 ማለትካ ወር 1 ወር 2 ወር 3 ዘእተወቶ ኣታዊ ህጅ ክትነግረና ያ ፓላንቴር so እንታይ ንጽበለና ትጽቢት በቃ according Wall Street ወይውን ኢኮኖሚስት ትጽቢት EPS ኣታዊና ሓደ ስታክ በቃ earning per share በሃል ብ0.13 ሳንቲም ንጽበለና እንደገና ትጽቢት ዝግበረሉ ኣታዊ ወይ ከዓ revenue 860 كلتن million. That's good. Almost Palantir had a billion very much. Oh my goodness, unexpected. So Palantir, one of the fast moving Gabriela company hoina Malet Aziha Tesfaz Gabriela Amazon AI Palantir stack. Let me go. Zelo Malet Terina Ahwat Palantir like year to date almost كاب عمي كاب زعل الزئة كساب زال زلنا علت almost 64% increase غير الله 1 year my goodness this is big مالتي 1 year is almost 396 the past year مالتي 5 years ترينا هذا شحن كل 244.4 return غير زلا مصل Palantir كاب an average كاب 2024 أغسطس جميرا كاب يا بس تكون جميرا مالتي زلعلي 150 بتصيحة نيرا the highest thinks of 52 weeks 52 weeks high is that right 125.41 yes 125.4 حدا بتصيحة نيرا am I right okay so I think so Palantir is going to be all time high so انتي نصبق تخون earning دحر رخيبنا Palantir maybe ناب 140 100 قلن كتبصح تخيل يا 140 135 كتكي تخيل يا اذا خنبل كلنا لكن if it is good earning ناتا EPS 0.13 اندحر رغيبنا وي كاون لعلي then revenue اتاوها 862.13 مليون اندحر رغيبنا so Palantir is like moving company بتعمي حنت فاس growth قبل زلا كامباني انا software company او مسلي ناي governmental تقوملا مالتي data زحزو لا very good company مسناي develop technology خوينو ناب AI ون software is زخود زلو company let's find نر ايا هجي as of now Palantir is 123.5 الله things are down يلا overall market na 5 minute close كل down coin زلو Tesla is down today negative 2.38 انت ان زبل حتى why clarity رخبنا نحوات like detail trade deals እንዳ ተጸበና ወላ ሓንቲ ትራምፕ አንተ መጽ ተዛሪቡ ብዙሕ ዲቴል ሃበን ግን ኣብዚ ክንበልኩም ትራምፕ እንታይ ከም ዝበለ ሓደ ነጥብለን ንብዚ ክሳብ yeah charger yeah you can have it right now ክሳብ Palantir yeah what's this guy there you go boy there you go okay yeah ሓደ كورينا let me double check is Palantir is 125 all time high abati hanira guys tell me that 390 كلتنا نتبي 1 بليون market cap ዘለዋ ካምፓኒ PE ratio too much. Oh my goodness. 656. This is too much. Yeah, it's software, but too much PE ratio. Like 125. Okay, Palantir. So, Trump እንታይ ኢሉ ዓንተቦ yeah, China deal ከም ትደሊ very badly ብላሎ. Of course, China ናብ deflation ትኸይድ ኣላ. Like deflation ማለት down ክትከውን ትኽእል እያ ቁጠባዊ ትናባና ሰደድ ትገብሮ ነበረት ናብ USA. Then USA ካብ China ዘይምርካብ ኣቕሑ ኸ inflation ክኾነ ከጋጥማ ክእል እዩ። ስለዚ ኣብዚ within a weeks deal ክንገብር ከም ንኽእል ምስ China እዩ ተዛሪቡ። ጽባሕ ምስ ናይ ካናዳ ፕራይም ሚኒስተር deal ናይ ታሪፍ ኣሎ. Good luck. حدش مراحي ناي كندا hope to see صباح China and the USA deals مالتي صباح وايت هاوس ركب لهم. So Trump ناي راشا oil صبوا price down كوين لو راشا and Ukraine أب مرجعوا تصفى خمسة لو يقول زلوا. That's a good news عنده بزبالو مالتي. Yeah, هجي mostly as ناي media تعريف ويكات أرز كم زجبر. ናይ ፊልምስ ካልእ ገሊጽ ኣሎ ግን ስፔሻሊ ምስም ናይ ሜድያ ላይክ ሃሊውድ ነገር ክዘራረብ ክኽእል ኣለዎ እንታይ እዩ ሰናዘር ባድ not good treasury department ከዓ ዓንተቦ እንታይ ኢሉ ናብኡ ኸ ክንመጽእ ናብዚ ኣለና ሓደ ቅድሚ yeah we have 3 minutes ኣሕዋት ማርኬት ክንኣቱ ንኽእልና ፀገም ኣይኮን scared come on treasury okay እንታይ ኢልና ዓንተቦ Treasury Department almost 17 ካምፓኒታት ይኾና ዲል ጌም ዝገበሩ ይነግሪጽ ኣሎ beginning of this week ብለና ላምንስ I guess ጽባሕ ገለ ኒውስ ከምጽኡ ይኽእል እዮም ዝብል ተስፋ ኣለና እንታይ ዘሎ beginning of this week ኣብ መጀመርያ ናይ ሰሙን we are very close to some deals on trade maybe as early as this week on trade deals all right we're in that like solus ቅድሚ ረብዕ ቅድሚ ላይክ ፌደራል ምምጾም ተስፋ ንገብር ከባቢ 17 ሃገራት ዲል ከምዝ ዳን ከም ዝገበሩ ገሊጾም ኣለዉ ኢንዲያ ሓንቲ ካብ እንያ ጃፓን ምጽብቕ ኸይድ ከም ዘሎ so overall እቲ ዲል ምድንጓይ ግን ብጣዕሚ ማርኬት was winning ኣይገበረሎም ማዓን ትሪኡ ኣለኹም እቲ ዲቴል ናይ ትሬድ ብጣዕሚ ደንግዩ so let's go and share ማለት ሓድሽ ነገር የለን ኣሕዋት ያ ማርኬትና is almost red close ክገብር ኢሎም ማዓንቲ ንሪኦ ኣለና ኦ 10 መዓልቲ ሎም ማዓንቲ S&P green close ዝገብርኒ almost like ን10 መዓልቲ straight green ምኾነ ማለት እዩ VIX is up ኮይና ኣላ 3.88 that's why it is VIX up እንድሕር ኮይና ኩሉ ሻዕ ኣሕዋት yeah of course እዚ ከዓ red ክኸውን ናይ ግድን እዩ بمقصال Palantir is in a big shutdown but رأيوا أخم Palantir كم يجي رقم تغير الحد صبوا إرني رخيبنا we have 1 minute to go let's go رحلة ودحوا بي let's go look at the market is about to close Palantir is down 123 let's go as of now we have 1 minute to go market is about to close yeah market is closed but you know S&P is down 0.66 yeah down also down 0.25 Nasdaq is down 0.78 Palantir close geralla as a negative okay let's go earning report قرب time ክንባይና ሽት ክትሪኡ ኣኹም እንድሕር እዚኣ ክትሪኡ ኣኹም ንላዕሊ ጽቡቕ ሪፖርት እንድሕር መጽያ wait a minute Palantir ኣብዚኣ ኮምፒውተር ካልኣይት ስለ ዘለሃኒ ንዓኹም ንሳኸሪኦኩም all right investor relation there you go starts green is it out 124 it's not out yet but you know like on the website as you know refresh. It's not out yet. All right, hello, we need that Palantir. Yeah, EPS 0.13 ሳንቲም ንፅበለና and then revenue 862 ነጥቢ oh, is that out? Is that out? It's going. Is it out? I don't see it right in the website yet. I don't see in the website. But Palantir is going. I think it's going all-time high. So report ንፅበዮ ዘለና ኣሕዋት, look this. EPS 0.13 ሳንቲም and then revenue 862.13 million. So let's go Palantir again. Still not. No, Palantir is enjoying. Palantir ጥራሕ enjoy ትገብር ዘላ. Okay. Palantir. Is that 5 o'clock? I thought after market close. Somebody text me. ساعات كنا إدنا Palantir كمت له. Yeah, رجس شو أقداسي ولا. Is that? Am I through? It's 4 o'clock. Yeah. 125 يا the highest بس حنيرة Palantir. all time high 125.1 so لما عند نزغ تحالف له very sure زي بقى تحالف له all time high Palantir كنري لنا well تبو ريبورت رخيبنا يا اخوات if we got a good report أبرا هلا ود حوبي دنجي خاد قطع ساعة 5 دي I know 56 minute مسفرة غادي somebody 4 فرق عندي حوات well 7 p.m. no sorry 5 p.m. I thought 5 p.m. is the conference call, right? 3 p.m. Am I right? Yeah, مخنياتو I didn't see any yet. Okay. I made a mistake. I thought after market close. Okay, if it's that way, we will be we'll be hang for a minute then. Okay, if it's that way, the stock market is behaving very well before earning. Yeah. So let's go. Looks like okay. 4 فرعان كون له مالتي by the way. Okay, we have about 20 minutes to go then. They don't tell us. Come on, get out from that. Where you are hiding. All right. While we are here, نزيان لك ما بالحوات. So لما عند report ولا حنت as a fund day بزح نبرنا ISM service نيرنا ISM service report 5.4 median forecast እንዳተጸበ ማርኬትና so actually ግን 51.6 ማለት እዚ ከዓ በሰርቪስ ዝርከብ. That's a good news actually. This is ጽቡቅ ነጥቢ ጽቡቅ move ካብ ናይ ዳውን ቋዕ ኾነ so Monday እዚኣ በዚኣ ተዓጽ ያላ Monday Tuesday ናቲን ብዙሕ ዓቢ ነገር የብልናን and then Robert big day FOMC meeting Jerome Powell انت خبلي حوات Jerome Powell انت خبلي Robert the big day so as of now CME Fed ni Robert كم زغلنا نرئي زلنا لمينا وحوات Palantir اندحر move let me set in my other computer again. Oh wow, it's a big drop. Something not right. A big drop. 3% is down. All right, something not right. It's a huge shit drop. I don't see any financial yet. But oh, it's back again. Holy shit! It's out of a number. 5 p.m. Eastern. Is that right, Saba? Holy shit, dude! God, dude! Big high! Look this, what happened? Let me see in here. Big high! Wow, 127 as of now. I think so. 127. Shit. I don't see how we do it. Podcast is not yet. Yeah, I think it's out kind of low. It's not yet. Not. Oh my goodness! About now 4% up. Whoa! Give me that. Give me the financial. Did he hit it? Oh my goodness! Okay. Not yet. We don't see it, but something out. It is out. Oh my goodness. 135. We'll see about 135 to 140. نحن طبق ريبورت رغبنا حوات. كاب 135 كساب 140. Wow. Come on, somebody did swim trade on that? Wow. Come on, give me this. That's why I don't know. That's why guys, Tesla كل شيء عزفه. Tesla is, I don't know, كل شيء عنها تاقد تقبل كينا easy to control to me. This shit is not funny. So 129 بتحنيرة somehow it should hit that. Fresh again. Refresh قبرها كذا كمبيوتر تنفاز أوزع. Yeah, Ford is out. My Ford is out. Yeah, Ford Q1 2025 earnings adjusted EPS is 14 cent estimated about 4.3. Yes. Yeah, previous revenue 15.2 billion, estimate 14.6. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, the revenue is better. And an EPS is adjusted EPS 14 cent. That's a little. You want my phone? Mm-hmm. Do you like me? Because Tesla, I'm looking with Tesla though. Tesla is gonna be green, right? Yeah. Good. Look at holy shit, it's back right in here. But it's not out yet. Wow, market. This is big volatility. Let's skip it. So let's cover it for the Ford while we are here. Yeah, ናይ Ford መካይን ምዃኖም ኩሎም ትፈልጡኹም ኣሕዋት. Suspend for 2025 financial guide. My goodness, this is bad. Okay. Automaker expect to see 2.5 billion impacted from tariff this year. This is 2.5 billion ናይ Ford መኪና. This is big, right? This is big. So it expected to offset 1 billion of this cost. Yeah, wow, this is big. 2.5 billion بسنك Trump tariff. تقلوا حدرون Ford. What? This is big. This is a lot. So earning per share 14 cents adjusted like 2 cents in that it's abana. Well, it's good one. It's great, but revenue also is 37, 36. It's good one. The report is good, but why Ford down? Gawrak المسيركم. It's down. Back down. Hold on. Look, the Ford. Big drop. Almost بسنكنا Trump tariff like 2.5 billion هون cost خمس قورم قلت له. This is a lot. This is a lot. Is Palantir out yet? Yeah. Like guidelines suspended 2025. 2.5 billion tariff impacted. Very huge. Very huge. Very huge. Very huge. My goodness. Ford is dropped. Yeah. This is all right. Yeah. Yeah, Palantir is sharp up and down. 129 but حنرى 120 down كوينا ولا حوات رايوه. This is the traders. هابتامات سبتسقا سبهابتي. Look this حوات. عنده almost 4% up جرا نيرا. شو profit جرام وصو in قبرو. That's how market switching. وست دقائق. $129, my goodness. Okay, 122. Skip Abin. It's coming. It's coming, but I didn't see any quarrel, any numbers yet. How bad is Ford? Wow, less than $10 Ford. Okay, Palantir is still nothing yet. 0505 2025. Yes, but give us refresh quarterly. Let's go with it. How you doing? Tesla is aftermarket. Tesla is down almost 0.35. Okay. Yeah, Fed ንረብዕ ንኽመፁ 95.6% ዝኾነ rate cut ከም ዘየለ we see that like 100% rate, no rate cut ማለት እዩ so ንባዕላ ናይ ጁን እውን ለክተ ሰባት ዋላ ጁን እውን rate cut የለን still current 4.25 to 450 still current ከምሎ ማለት እዩ why because of all this bullshit job report last week ዝረኸብናዮ Friday ንሱ like ናይ ወርሒ 6 ወለድ ኣብ ምቁራፅ ዝነበረ ዕድልና ከይተረፈ ኣሰጋጊራትና ናብ ወርሒ 7 yeah still ወርሒ 7 ከዓ 55.3% not ready yet maybe not I think so this year I don't know ክልተ ካቲና ክንርኢ ከም ዝበልዎ ግን ትራምፕ ታሪፍ እንድሕር ገለ ገይሩ ወይ ፅባሕ ወይ ድሕር ፅባሕ እዚ ራይድ ኣወይ ክቕየር ይኽእል እዩ ምክንያቱ CPI ዳታ ወይ ከዓ PCE ዳታ ፅቡቅ ኢና ረኺብና ኣሕዋት let's wait for Palantir let's wait Palantir look let me back this is what I don't like bond 10-year treasury bond high not good yeah gold high all-time high gold like this is high unusual ኣብዚ በፅሒ ይፈልጥኒ gold high ምክንያቱ yeah ናይ ፍርሒ ናይ recession ይኸላ ኢኮኖሚ yes ማርኬት ናይ ምውዳቅ ኣዝዩ ፈሪሕ ኣሎ ኢኮኖሚ ቁጠባ ማለት እዩ ምክንያቱ ናብ gold big ሎማዓንቲ 3.04% increase ገይርዎ እዚ ከምዚ መዕቆቢ ገንዘብካ ኣብዚ መጽንዕ ማለት እዩ ኩሉ ሻዕ ንፈልጥ gold time በቃ like unusual 3400 በፂሓ ነይራ ኣብዚ ሓለፈ ወርሒ 4 ዕለ 21 still ህጁን it's going gold is high crypto little down so yeah ኩሉ ሻዕ if this is high እንድሕር ኸውናሉ something right ሰብ ይሃድም ኣሎ ማለት እዩ so bond 10-year treasury bond is up look what almost 3.9 በፂሕ ነይሩ ወርሒ 4 ዕለት 4 then shit back and again ኩሉ እዚ ግን ብሰንኪ ታሪፍ ጥራሕ ይኻላ ኣይኮነን ቀረፅ ናቲን ቀረፅ ዋላ ኢኮኖሚካሊ ዳታውን ያ ላስት ዊክ ዝረኸብናዮ ሪፖርቱን ከም ዝረኣኹም ኣሕዋት ላስት ዊክ ዝረኸብናዮ ያ looks GDP negative 0.3% ትፅቢት 0.4 ፖዚቲቭ ግን ዝረኸብናዮ negative 0.3 እዚ ግን ገና ክቕፅል እዩ ማለተይሲ ሪቫይዝ እንዳገበርዎ ኸዲኦም PCE እዚ ውዲቑ PCE no more inflation ይብለና ኣሎ why the rate cut ዘይገብሩ federals because tariff 4 ነጥቢ that's all is there anything in here is there high it's already Zemikal is Palantir Q1 revenue after 9 is that out already where Abraham the how by where you go where you got this okay earn highlighted okay got it first is it out أنت خبيئكم تبصلي دلهم I didn't see that send me if this out holy shit Okay. Yeah, is it out, Frisky? Okay, send me what do you guys got? What the hell? Where it go? Where it go? Why it's not? Oh my goodness, you might be true. Yeah, that's why it's done. Negative 4.19%. Where do you go that? Okay. Where do you go that? There you go. Now we got it in the other way. In the other way. There you go. All right. Earning per share 13 cent adjusted. Yeah, we beat that. Expected. Oh, revenue is down 884 million by 863. No, it is a bit, not a bit. All right, so 30 cent بعشر سلسلة and the revenue is high 884. That means you true. Okay, come on, give me something. All right, Palantir revenue grows 39% from 634 to millions a year ago. Okay, year over year, 39% increase. Year over year. Net income rose about 214 million. That's a great one. Wow, or 8 cents per share. 214 million. Then from roughly 105.5. Good. And then revenue jumped from 55 to 624 million. This is a great report, Palantir. Why the stock is down then? All right, let's back it. The stock is down. Why? We'll figure out what. Let's find out. We will figure out. Yeah, a bit everything like revenue. Let me get thank you Abdi Afrez like EPS 0.13 and then 0.13 سنتيم زي earning per share كاب حنت شهر ዝርከብ مخسب revenue أتاوها 883 نتب 86 مليون رخيبة instead of 862 بعد 20 مليون like 20 about 300 actually not 20 مليون 300 هون extra about that مالجي. So, very good report, but why the market is down, why Palantir is down, let's figure out. Let's back to that. Why it's down. Okay. We are delivering the okay, the company did this is commercial revenue growth of 1% per year. Okay. Well, government segment also still jumped 45. The company is forecasting USA commercial revenue will tap 1.17 billion this year. Whoa, that's a big one. Okay, why is down then? Okay, revenue growth 39%. Okay, the company which provide softwares and technology solution, government and corporations also high. Well, the whole year revenue is like about كاب 3.4 billion up to 3.6 billion. This company expect the revenue to range between 934 million to 936 million in the current quarter. Whoa! Look at what Q2 almost ناب 934 million. دركا close 1 million كم زغل. The whole year ka almost like about كاب 3.7 كساب 3 كبابي بليونز كخون يخل. This is grow. So why is down? Why is sell? Why did they sell? Let's back again. Lift this full year guidelines here. Okay, sites. Okay. All right, let me see. So confused ኮይና ዘላ ሕዋት okay why the company sell. So the company also boasted its adjusted free cash flow outlook for the year between 1.6 billion and 1.8 billion. Adjusted income for operations is expected to range between 1.7 billion and 1.7 million. That's a good one. Palantir is also close like 139 deals totaling at least $1 million. We have a good report, and then now maybe technically it comes below the law. Palantir like kind of nap AI memory نزبل I don't know نسرع قرب the shift يقبر مالتي. All right, let's see back. Could be back. Why? Is there anything? Why? Why it's down? Give me something. Why it's down? Okay. Why is a big sell? This is like crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I really I don't know, guys. Why big sell? I have no idea. Let's figure out, guys. Yahoo Finance والحنت ኣይገልፆን ዘሎ why sell off. We want to figure out, guys. So yes, 2025 revenue ናታ ካብ 3.8 ክሳብ 3.7 ቢልዮን ክኸውን ምዃኑ. So this is outlook had already surpassed Wall Street projection cap Wall Street ተጸበዩን ላዕለ ከም ዝኾነ ይገልጸልና ኣሎ shares showed in after hours trade Monday following this is earning release rising as much as 5% and then falling into the red at 4:10 p.m. Okay, the framing looks which is software. Yeah, software to medical provider. Mostly Srahara was sales software, not medical provider, not kind of more governmental companies, automakers, okay, and Mekainun and more. All right, Palantir, yes, commercial revenue jumped. Okay, now commercial revenue jumped 700% to 255 million in the first quarter ahead of 239 million project. Okay, كله هاي we have 1 billion run rate in the USA commercial now, which is the gold standard for music company. Commercial business growth about 68%. All right. Yeah, military also government comes to come, police department, them kullum. Okay, Palantir for score was the governmental sales soared ahead of expectation. Okay. Company was recently award 30 million contact with ICE. Oh ho. So the deal has provided concerns. Yep. بقدما هاي زغبرتا عن Palantir. Budget night Trump, by the way, the calendar year of 2026, almost 13% in military increase Gabri. That's why Palantir is حقوس تبقوا. All right, no idea why the company is dropped. Okay. It to figure out though. By the way, financial quality from the organ element time I have no idea. So I don't think so ማለት ሕማቅ ኣይክኸውን ኣሕዋት ፅባሕ maybe Palantir ክንሪኣ ንኽእልና back force. Let me see. Wow, إذن 12 129 በፂሓ ነይራ after hour. So why so? Okay, somebody send to me please. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys, this is nothing news because of short, probably. Simrat, there's a lot of short Nero. That's another point. Yeah, say it. Is it a lot of short sale Nero? Okay, you might be right. Simrat, can you say yes? If this is because of short, it's like 114 because 20% upgrade. Okay. Yeah, big sell short Tanero. Maybe she's right. Simrat could be right. I didn't find any. Why sell off? But most probably Simrat mentioned it short near to Blalla. Okay. Could be. So ዘሚከል ጥቡ ገይሩ ፀሚቑ ሰይድልና ዘሎ ባይ ዘ ወይ next quarter Q2 እንታይ ኢና ንፅበያ ዘለና ሕጂ almost about 934 million. Yeah. So nothing, guys. I don't know. Him and her ska allow me. I know. Yeah, him and hers. I don't know that. Really, not campaign on alone. So let's take it. What? كريان خلينا up كتكيت خليها دحري دحرت نحيلا جن. We got a good report. كم سبلا زلا سمرت big short نيرجن big sell نيرخوني خلو دحري إسراء حدا كزاربي متيو SEO. So maybe شعوذ هبنا guidelines سامر خجبر خفتني دحر زخون نقدر نحر رخيبه why sell off كينو ندحر short نيرو because of short. Then so انت عينت guidelines كهبي ممرحكن كريعنا. So this is how we do. what still up to software I'm gonna up to اشمعون كمان يمصون ولا number كريعونا يكالنا. Anyway, yeah, thanks so much. Thanks so much. Let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, Palantir is very after closing. Maybe, yeah, I like it. I like it, Binny too. Maybe it's going up tomorrow. Please don't hurry to sell it. Oh yeah, don't sell it. I agree with that. Maybe why again? So we need a reason. حدا تسيئون جنا كزاربن we like كله تو أتاويتات كاب عن العلو قرأت صبوا مسئول له maybe كم ذا سمرت بلتا big بزح زخون numbers of short تنيرجن sell off كرم خوني خليهم so جن صباح one of our main day trading تقبرو our big trading Palantir مخانا أنا نفلت زلنا as of now حزنا زلنا so كم زفلت Palantir 52 weeks high لما عنت بيت قرات أنا راح عنت ب 129 point قال ملا أتاني راح so after hours حساب زغوني after hours 129 دحر بس حقا I hope so 129 نري أنا خونا صباح مالتيو so قال نجار ندحر على ليجن coming up كنت مسألة خلي هجيك ملص خلياس أجمع يكونن قل حدش نجار ندحر عليه yeah because of this إلى كم لسه خفتني صعب خفتني I have nothing كل صورة سالنا نزبهال رياجن maybe كم زاس مرز بلتات رحنا كيد نخل could be short that's all. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you in a minute. زخونا نقدر نحر عليهم. نحر دليهم وقت عزبون نحر ليهم نتايبل نتاي سارب كا شر قبركم زيا. This is always like name of the company دحرو investor relation تلكم نايت company لكم then مساعتهم لك تسحات جوجل كريكم Palantir TR investor relation لكم زي أكلك تجيكم if you click that ناب أخدم صاحكم يا then أتي بودكاست أبزي الله دحري عسرت تشعات خزاربي أنا لايف دحرك سمع عشو لايف كايوت ألكم نيجن شعو قرب كن مهارينا maybe شعو هاي كتكيت خنيات Palantir مالتي so yeah but now it's still it's coming down maybe بزخلو good report رغبنا يجن should be up by tomorrow let's see what happens. Thank you. Let's get it. Yeah, very true. Yeah, AI growth may not be. Yeah, not AI. Not sorry, not AI. مخارم big growth na مخارون السوق هون خلي حقي إذا مكال. شفتنا مقبارهم like that could be not a big one. كنت خلي. That's a big. I don't know. بس expand قبري أنا AI. Yeah, I have no idea. Maybe you're right that. Maybe you're right that too. All right, let's figure out that. Thank you guys. All right, there you go.